Hello, hi mabuhay! Maayong adlaw ka natong tanan. This is Maria Lava and welcome to the special episode of Lechon, the podcast.
Let them eat. Let them eat lechon.
Pakpak sa taoy! Ah! Tubaan ox! Diyos ko! This episode, ladies and gentlemen, special kaayo no because we will be joined by two of our queens here in Cebu. And you know, we just ended Pride Month and last month, no, we had an amazing Pride, Jud. We celebrated Pride, we had a protest, and queens have been booked and blessed. And grateful kaayo mi because a lot of establishments and a lot of bars and kanang mga brands have been they've been so supportive, and we're happy that karon kanang murag na nakit-an na jud ang drag, no, and part of our event jud is kaning gitawag na Wash Kaet. Now, Wash Kaet is a drag battle here in Cebu wherein we allow kanang mga aspiring drag artists to really showcase their art, to really perform and battle it out. And this time around, kanang last June 28, 2026, we just crowned our All Stars winners. Winner, usara ka buok. Winner, right?
Winner.
And we're very happy to have her now. So di na natin padugayon, she will be joined by also the reigning Wash Kaet season 2 winner. So ladies and gentlemen, we have our all-star winner, Miss Melat Morningstar, and our season 2 winner, Paris France.
Hi.
Yay! How are you guys? Kamusta?
Iya ko R. No?
Laban pa.
I'm doing
Fantasy.
great. I'm quitting drag tomorrow.
Quitting
Ay,
drag
quitting
tomorrow.
drag. Char lang.
Based sa imong note. What was
Yeah.
the context, man?
Wala, that was a reference to Drag Race ra katong usa ka judge nga ingon
Oo.
siya, I'm having the best time of my life. I'm killing myself tomorrow. Ala siya.
I love
So
that.
jama-jama na siya.
I
Yeah.
love that. So I'd like to ask Melat, no, kanang, it's been how many days? 2-3 days na
Yeah.
you were crowned as the new Wash Kaet winner. All Stars edition pa jud ni. How do you feel now?
To be honest lang, I'm still processing things hangtod karon kay di gyud pa ko katuo nga ako nga kadaog sa overall competition. Given the cast that was very stacked, we had a group of queens nga ni hatag jud sa ilang best, and hangtod karon di gyud pa ko katuo nga out of the 8 queens nga dito ako ang nakoronahan, pero I'm very grateful for the opportunity and for the platform that were given to us, especially karon nga time kay Pride Month siya,
Right.
and kanang murag dako siya nga kuan para sa atong community pod.
I love it. Ikaw, Paris, how do you feel na you were a contestant ra ka sa una, karon
Yes.
judge na ka?
Kuan. Wash Cat All Stars was very fun. Ana, kato na night, nag-expect jud ko ganang, I know, something big
Oo.
coming from the girls kay line-line ba sila og ganang seasons.
Right.
Line-line og month niya. Napoy, ang pinaka-expect jud nako na mo give og more is the queens from season 1.
Oo. Kasi
Kasi
sila
sila
yun ni
Nala,
Pioneer. Kamu,
yeah.
batch ninyo
Oh,
Pioneer.
batch na mo,
oo.
Joy. And like, it was really fun niya. Seeing someone na kanang, I'm out of words, but seeing someone na kanang really worked hard for
Oo.
it, yeah, winning,
Oo.
like, deserved yun niya.
I love it. Kana during your time when you had your kanang individual performance, were you expecting na ikaw ang matop one
For All Stars?
for All Stars?
No, actually, kay katong na ako sa backstage, kadungog ko sa mga shagit sa mga tao, ang pinakadaghan jud nga shagit kay kang Stormy. And so, I was expecting nga si ang matap one.
Oo.
And so, napala ko backstage, strategize ako daan. Kisa ka ani mga queens akong pilion, no? If ever, dili ako ang matap one.
Oo.
Pero what you ko ga-expect ako ang top one ato. At that time, ako ra gyud na kay unsa kay possible nga song nga kanang muland na ako. So, hunaw na ako sa mga songs nga na dito. Pero ang nadyo sa akong mind kay ang Bodak Yellow lang jud.
Was it a song na murag sa una pa when you were preparing, when you were memorizing na kanijud ang song na akong una?
Yeah, actually. Although wala pa ko kanang kasaguan na katong pagkaibaw na mo sa list sa songs, pag paminaw na ako kay murag ni resonate siya sa ako, murag mao jud ni ang para sa ako.
Oo.
It was either that or Don't You Worry About a Thing, pero na po na ako gi-consider na ako akong kontra kay
Oo.
feel na ko Lexi Lors would kill a ballad
Oo.
kay naka-gown ra ba to siya ato nga time, so kanang gi-strategize na ako siya, although naingon ko nga kanang I'm going to play fair kunuhay.
Oo.
Jema ra to siya. Oy, pero gi-strategize ako to siya sa kung na kaya ako gipili kay si Lexi Lors.
Oo.
Yeah, we all know that kanang although fair siya kay kaming duha ang pinakadugay na sa industry, nagyapon to siya strategy behind that kay kanang dugay-dugay na siya and then ang song nga gipili na ako kay Modern and so
So, gore-gore
forgive
na
ako.
siya lang.
Yeah, ano na lang. Jema ra to ba?
Diba? But that was a good strategy. I mean,
Yeah.
it played your favor.
Mhm.
Right? Ikaw as a judge, kanang watching Melat doing the individual performance. Let's put it out there. Melat was your first
Yes,
kanang
Melat was my
ranking?
top one.
Top one.
Ay, actually, tayo sila na ko ni Stormy.
Right.
So, silang duha akong perfect score sa
I get-
solo performance.
I love it. Kanang, let's give a special shout out to
That's
Stormy,
Stormy,
no?
yes.
That was also a good fight. That was a good
Correct.
individual performance. I haven't seen her
Dragon.
kanang grabe slaying jud.
Actually lang.
Ano yung dragon?
Amazing kaayo.
Ikaw
As
sa ron
in-
yung dragon mo. Kisgan kay Stormy. Meron rin yun.
Diba? As in, lami kayo. And also, shout out sa lights, sa production
Yes,
team,
super.
sa censored. Grabe. They all work
Ang
so
lights
hard
ato
for
side.
it. Nakatabang
Ano,
dyan ang lights
nakatabang ang
na to.
lights.
Nakatabang dyan ang lights.
Sa iya side, katong curtain.
Mm-mm.
Dili naman pull off guro. Full curtain, no?
Yeah. Shout out day sa production team sa Wash Kaet as well as sa House of Bloom sa mga nitabang. Thank you kayo kay my performance would not have been top one if it weren't for you guys.
Right.
Correct.
Actually, that was the first time that I have seen na na-curtain
Sa sensor.
nasa sensor.
So,
Di ba na-curtain mo sa backwash?
Sa
Pwede
luyo
siya,
ra.
sa luyo, dili siya gamiton. Pero was it intentional ba? Katong gibutang? Did you ask for
Dili,
it?
wala. Kanang, ako sa to siya gi-strategize actually kay kanang 2 weeks prior to Wash Kaet, kinapaybaw si Gumamela nga lang, kanang natay kanang curtain, malaki theater na sa kuan.
Okay.
And to be honest lang it took me a lot of time. We were given like a month and pila ka days to prepare for Wash Kaet, di ba? And it took me a lot of time to come up with my solo performance concept. Daghan kay kog giunahon na kung saan akong i-solo performance and usa ato kay You Don't Own Me unta ko pero ako na lang siya gi-perform and so di come up ko ato nga song pero daghan kayo kanang nagsagol-sagol na galing nga concept. Pero pag ingon ning Gumamela na ko ato nakahunahon na ko kakita ko atong usa ka performance ni Nayong Bella from Drag Race UK nga katong the Angel siya niya ana ang kamot
Mm-mm.
kunuhay. So what if kanang maginato pug ko pero wakwak nga version pero still on brand siya.
So that was like a reference to yung
Yes,
Bella.
very
Okay.
that niya kanang murag ma-integrate po nako ang kanang ilang butang nga curtain gali. So murag innovativeness kempet na lang.
I love it. How was it watching kanang Wash Kaet na kanang singer sisters ang uban mo ka-batch pa nimo? How was it? Kanang
Kuan ka siya ma. Kasi, as a perspective, as a judge, kanang maglisod bit ako kay judge kay sisters dani mo niya. You don't want to be biased, di ba? So, it was hard a bit, kanang medyo hard siya para wala siya bias. However, it was kanang I think speaking on behalf of the judges, we really had fun.
right.
And as I can see sa audience side, I think the audience and us, the viewers jud kay kanang kita jud silang show.
As
Kanang,
in,
I think the queens really gave a show.
As in, I would say that was one of the best Wash Kaet editions.
Correct.
Correct.
Yes.
As in, everything was so cohesive. Although we had lapses, pero di man dyan siya maiwasan, no?
Right.
Pero grabe ang show. You gave an amazing performance.
Mura siya og kanang finale sa
As
sa
in.
Wash Kaet jud na
Diba?
finale no.
Right. Oo.
Na kanang tagatong tanan winners ba. Mura
As
siya inato.
in, yan na ang level niya. And I've seen a lot of queens perform jud na kanang nag-level up.
Correct.
Diba? Special shout out to Stormy, to Brianna,
Brianna.
Lexi Lors,
Lors,
kinsa pa yung mga
Graphic,
Si Graphic,
Renaissance,
grabe.
Dinah Virgin.
Renaissance.
Dana Virgin.
Dana Virgin.
Dami kayo yung headpiece.
Headpiece.
As in, also by Bjorn, no?
Yes.
I love Was it your headpiece? Batang gipay
No,
mo nimo?
kang Bjorn sa to pero ako na to na-wear.
Ah,
Sa
I
UE.
love it. Okay. So, my question for Melat is, why did you decide to come back to Wash Kaet?
To be honest, pag first yun ako kuha sa call no nga lang, do you want to come back for All Stars? Ni chat si Gumamela. Ang pinakauna dyan ang response, dili lang ko ni-decline ko. Kay lagi ka ng the first time around, kanang murag galisod ko ato kay I didn't get any help from anyone. Although na ako'y mga friends, na ako'y family nga ni offer og help, ako amang good thinking at that time kay kanang mahadlok ko mga yugtabang sa uban kay lagi ni dako ko nga kanang gifeel ako nga independent ko.
Oh.
Pero this time around, ningon si Gumamela nga kanang I'll give you time to think lang sa before ka mo decide nga kanang dili ka mo join sa Washcat. And so a few hours after nangutan ako sa akong friends, shout out Machiachi as well as Coco Grunge, sila ang itabang nako the entire competition. Nya kanang murag na kuan gali ko na reassure nga they got my back. And so that made me think nga kanang oh okay, why not consider going back? Kay I'm not going to do this for myself or myself. I'm doing this for them. Kay they have trust in me. Nya gi saligan jud ko nila as well as kanang gisuportahan. And so I decided to come back not only for myself but as well as for them. Kay pag season 1 man good, dili kaayo kanang ingon nga polished ang ako ang gi-showcase. Although yes na ang vision, pero for All Stars I wanted to come back to kind of like prove nga I also have what it takes to win the crown, and it showed. And I'm glad nga ni translate rang ako ang gi-present karon to as what you are seeing right now.
I love it. All right, so talking about Coco Grunge, Coco was also planning to join. Actually,
Right.
he joined na unta the Washkaet
Not just a
All
poster,
Stars, not
diba?
just a poster. Yeah, so how did you feel about that? Na ni-join siya
To be
during that
honest
time?
lang, kay he was one of the biggest threats jud sa ako. And although very close me, wala jud ko nag saba-saba mayo sa akong mga concept kay kanang magtinabangay man me pero still competition ra ba siya. So i-keep lang namo sa usag-usang among mga kuan, mga sikreto nga concept earth kuno sa kuan Washkaet. Pero okay, bawo na ako nga kanang ni-tap out siya. I also felt really sad kay I know nga how bad he wanted to come back. Kay kanang daghan jud kay siya concept in mind. And when I tell you, grabe iyang hunang-huna mag-work. Kay siya po ang itabang og conceptualize sa akong performance. And so kanang nasad lang ko para niya. Pero at the same time, nalipay pug ko kay ni-offer siya help sa ako and siya alongside other queens itabang sa ako ang pag-showcase sa akong Washcat nga performances.
I love it. I thought moingon ka na kanang nalipay sad ko because nawa ang threat.
Pero sakto sa ka. Boss and actually kay
O sa
ako ko grunge bodak yellow po diyang pilion unta. If
okay.
siya naka lip sync and if kami galitong duha kay murag napoy chance nga dili ko makadaog kay katubayhan na kay may kato siya when it comes to rap songs, mga hip hop. Yeah.
Right, yeah. When we selected the songs for you guys, we tried to also consider kanang, of course, di man ka maka-choose sa imong song na, but it's like destiny ra jud ang song for
Right,
you. Although you have a choice if you make it to top 1. Pero in terms of like having the song for you like destined, what we tried to do man good is to filter out unsay mga songs na bagay sa inyo individually, and then kung unsay padung sa inyo unsay mapili ninyo, mo na jud siya. Mo na jud siya. Did you like the songs ba?
Yes, actually.
There were 15 songs to memorize.
15.
Oo.
16 including sa finale nga song.
Finale.
And lami kaya imong taste, I would say. Lami imong music taste. Ang ako alang jud di ganahan dito kay ang lason mong halik, yan na lip sync ka jud na.
Kung unsa pa hindi nimo ganahan.
Yeah, actually. Pagka-announce ni Red nga lason mong halik hala, posible kung mawala ni. So ako na lang siya gibuak. Nakalaw na ako sa gibuhat ni Lucy pag Supernova na mga lip sync sa season 1 katong nag-slow mo walk siya. And so ako tong gibuhat sa second verse nabuak na mga tao. So mauto siya. Wala ko kay ba akong gibuhaton pero si Brianna hinahinay na mo siya touch sa Oka. So Oka na lang pod. Nya katong pag-kiss chula na mo sa finale murag hala, murag nakuha na to siya.
Hiyawan
Adrenaline
nila
rush
Ang
niya lang
jud
siya.
mong Dalia.
Yeah, si Dalia kay nagtago-tago na siyang daw kay lutan ko na siya. Oh my god. Yeah, kalit-kalit ra jud to siya.
I love it. When they had their battle, what was going through your mind? Kay ako as a creator perspective, they both slayed jud.
Oh, me
As
too.
in.
Pero I think for me as a judge kay nahay something ni Melat ato na siya kanang na siya build up. So
Okay.
mo na akong i-consider.
Oo.
Actually lamig sila duha.
Did you vote for Melat by
Yeah.
that time? Okay.
Melat ka to. Yeah, mo to pag daro siya na siya at first ka like hinay naman sa kung lip sync kung ballad so like na siya build up ba kutob sa bridge na kanang
Na anticipation.
na anticipation.
Yeah.
So mo tay nakapag-get na ko ni Melat.
Okay. When katong na partner mo ni Melat, everybody was so scared. They were
Correct.
so tense because I think they were expecting you and Brianna siguro to be top 2 or to make it to top 2.
Yeah, oo.
Okay, same house, sisters, and all that, and then mag-battle pa jud ang
Ako mo
mga
dyan ipili
sisters.
yung
Ikaw ni Gulo
Yeah.
na to?
Parang, oh my
Lason
God,
mong
Melat.
halik. I love it. Did you like have a strategy sa song? Wala.
Sa song,
Adrenaline ra jud siya.
katong kuan,
Lason
Lason
mong
Mong
halik.
Halik.
Oo.
Wala ra ba actually?
Wala ra.
Katurang collect og tips nga wala ni Gana.
Oo.
Pero katong slow mo walk kay atura ko wala
Di
na
ba?
at that
Oo,
time.
siya
Asa katong chula-chula. So adrenaline ra jud to siya.
Oo.
Yeah.
You mentioned about Lucy, no, your battle during the season 1. You lost kay Lucy
Yeah.
during that time. When you had that battle with Brianna, did you have that feeling na murag, oh my God, this is it. Basin mahitabo na ako balik. Naka na I slayed the lip sync, but the judges won't choose me. Margi nga na ba? Naka nang, there could only be one. Did you have that murag, shit, basin mahitabo balik?
Yeah, actually. Kanang pero ang nasa ko noon na if ever mapildi man ko, it would be an honor to lose kang Brianna.
Yeah.
Or sa at the same time kato kang Lucy, okay ra jud kay kung nga napildi ko niya kay siya man nakadaog sa season. Pero sa katupod kang Brianna, okay ra jud kay nako nga mapildi ko kay naingon ako niya daan nga bahalag di ko madaog basta ikaw ang makadaog sa corona. Kay House of Dahlia ra ba niya sister me. And shout out pud kang Brianna kay siya ang nitabang og stone ako ani nga gown.
I love
Kay
it.
although
Sisters.
competition me kay nitabang gyapon siya sa akong showcase.
I love it, sisters. I also have a question regarding season 1. That was a year ago na siguro na?
2 years.
2 years na. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
lugi na kayo.
We've been doing Wash Ka Ed for 2 years. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. And Basin di Ay season 3,
three.
di ba?
Oh.
Going back to my question, when you had your run sa season 1, I know I reached out to you about joining like the wild card edition and you said no. How did you feel about losing man?
Kana at that time kay first year ba na ako nga competition ng Wash Ka Health and in drag dili jud ko competitive.
Oo.
When it comes to competitions, that was not my thing jud dili na ako kay lahi ra ba ang style sa drag nga akong i-present, alternative ra ba siya. Pero pagkaibaw na ako aning format sa Wash Ka Ed, murag nainganyo pug ko kay we get to showcase our artistry man ani in a way nga kanang ang mga tao kay kanang lahi-lahi ang ilang reception pero murag usar gali ang common ground sa Wash Ka Ed kay kanang my god
Showcasing your
Nawala ako.
art,
Yeah,
ana,
right.
protest,
Mm-mm.
di ba?
yeah,
Storytelling.
rebellious ang mga queens when it comes to storytelling sa ilang performances.
Oo.
And so, kanang going back to Honolulu. Dili.
Going back to Honolulu.
Asa gali tao?
Nata sa bagong studio, bagong Pilipinas. Ikaw naman, your Wash Ka Ed, kanina lang, I'm gonna ask you this question. Kanang you mentioned earlier about alternative drag. Now, a lot of people don't have an understanding about alternative drag, especially dito sa Cebu. Now, if they get to watch you, what do they expect and what should they know about alternative drag?
Kuan naman tayo traditional drag, na tayo alternative drag. When it comes to traditional drag, kay more on hyperfemininity, kanang nasa murag rule book nga ingon ani dapat ka magpadding, imong makeup kay ani pakak and so whatsoever. But when it comes to alternative drag, more siya the exact opposite of that. Nga wala siya rule book, ikay magbuot sa kung say gusto nimo. You get to be rebellious, you get to shapeshift into anything or anyone kay it is very freeing manggod kay alternative siya from the word itself, alternative. You get to do whatever you want to do. May it be horror, filth, glamour, or kung saan pa na diha. And so, nitap ko ani nga side sa alternative, ay sa drag, kay arin ako ma-feel nga ma-express na kog tarong akong kaugalingon. In a sense nga kanang dili siya pinugos gani. Kay I get to be anything or anyone that I want. Mao nang gilabel na ako akong kaugalingon as a shape-shifting entity kunuhay in
Where do you
drag.
get inspiration, man?
From Dragula.
Love it.
I love the show Dragula, Jod. There are a lot of amazing artists there, like Hoso Teratoma, si Gorny Beaver, as well as from Drag Race, si Bosco. Sila Jod ako main inspo sa drag.
I love it. No, straight from winning sa Paris, because we didn't have an interview when you won Wash Ka Ed,
Yes.
no? Yours is a little different from her aesthetic. Yours is glamour. What was your strategy when you competed sa Wash Ka Ed?
Wash Ka Ed,
Season 2.
Season 2. Wala. Kuan jud siya ma, I don't know. For me, kay I go with the flow naman good.
Oo.
And if it's for me, it's for me.
Oo.
Ang na ako ato no pag join ako sa month of May man ko na daog. Actually kanang wala pa bukay ba pero
Go.
wala ko nag-memorize sa mga lip sync.
Ano ba? So, ang mga songs na naabot sa imo, ha?
So ang mga songs na katong for battle, wala na ko memorize sa. Ay ko ano to siya. Kanang naman to Olivia Rodrigo. Ay driver's license na akong giko na to. And kanang Blondie na
Call me.
Call Me. Oh, mura to duha niya. Kontra na ko sila Coco Grunge, sila Lexi Lors. Sila kong kontra. Wala jud ako sila gikon.
Pero it showed lagi na nakalipsync ka.
Nakalipsync ko sa finale na. Ang finale na lipsync
right.
akong gi-memorize jud.
Okay. Did you use the watermelon strategy?
Dili sad. Wala sad.
I mean, seeing you there, nag-lip-sync jud ka.
Sa kuan, sa ang MacArthur's Park, akong gi-lip-sync, ay akong gi-memorize for finale. Mora jud akong gi-memorize. Wala na akong memorize sa tanan.
I love it.
So,
Let's transition to kanang season 2 na
finale.
Oo, memorize mo tanang songs.
Memorize ako tanang
Okay,
songs.
let's put that into record.
Yes,
Memorize
memorize ako tanan songs ato. Ako siya siyang my strategy ato was kanang namang ko doy songs na feel na ko tanan queens kay para iya. Like for example, Patricia, Listen. Kunya, kato ako Tell It to My Heart, No Way ni Chiang Mai, Moray na Cynthia Erivo. Murag nadyo each song for each queen that that finale. Nya. Kanang ang akong strategy ato is kanang dili na ko i-give akong all sa top 1 kay ganahan ko mo lip sync because I want to prove to everyone, to every queen na I can dance, I can slay a lip sync battle.
Right, I love it.
Mo
Because
na
it
ako,
happened man na marag
Yes.
ballad, it also happened to Melat.
Yeah.
To the both of you na kanang naamoy individual performance na storytelling,
Yes.
and then second is was
Alright.
battle na marag sayaw mo. Same no?
Right.
Kanang ang trajectory sa inyong kuan, sa inyong journey sa Wash Kaet, battle mo ni sayaw mo and then ballad mo sa
Correct.
finale. I think that was hearing the judges, no, you were there when you had a
Yes.
deliberation with Melat na kanang from start to finish it was consistent. No? That was also the major factor nga no gi-choose nila sa Melat because it was consistent from your individual performance to battle and to kanang
Nag-give siya og versatility.
Versatility.
Pero consistent gyapon siya sa iyang brand.
right.
Yeah.
I love it. 'Di ba?
Mo ta mong gikuan, mo ta mong gi-consider jud ako. Na kanang si Melat nani tanan good yang gibuhatan ng round.
Mahilak siya ko.
You cried during your
sa
finale. Yeah, what was going through your mind that time?
Oh my God. Kuan, kay baba mo, pag memorize pa lang ako sa song sa This Is Mine Now, wala ko kasaguan na, pero na-familiar na ako ang melody niya. Murag, ma-feel ako, murag gali ko ni flashback sa katong early days na ako as a baby drag queen. Kay, I think, it's safe to say nga ako ang pinaka unang baby drag queen na nakasulod sa Cebu drag scene. I was 18 years old at that time. Nya kanang murag kanang ni flashback nako sa pag-interpret na ako sa kanta nga kanang This Is Mine Now.
Right.
Nya kanang pagduol ako sa chorus na katong bridge nga part sa song. Okay, ato na ni sud tanan ni sink in na nga nanako diri sa finale. Nya kanang ako una garigor na. May kalit lang og tuwa akong luha o kasabot. Nya kanang first time doon ako sa kadagan ako gi-perform nga ballad mo to first time nga nakahilak ko nga kanang genuine galing at
As
tears.
in, it was a genuine tears. It also happened to France katong gikuan yang crown. No? Kasi ko ay
Di,
kada
wala.
katong ni point ka sa crowd,
Crown,
no,
oh.
during your finale.
Yeah, sige kang ikaw na lip sync ko to nawala siya. Dili ko lip sync, dili ko hila kay bati ako now.
During kanang her lip sync katang ni ala siya sa crowd, nakita jud ti ka na kanang yan ka because it also happened to you.
Kita ko.
I love it. What was your song sa finale ganun?
I Believe.
Believe.
Siya.
Okay, I love it.
Kuan siya maang na-practice ko, kuan man tugoy ka na December man siguro to ni mo gihatag ang songs. I don't know, hapit na to finale niya. Practice ko ako raw sa kadlawon. Diyan kalit na dyan kong hilak na practice ko sa song.
Ano ba?
Diyan ko feel dyan ako dyan ni.
I love it.
Ni cry dyan ko ato.
I
Mara
love
to
it.
akong kanang ko ano.
Kinsay sa imuha Mela, sa imuhang badge kanang sa All Stars karon.
Yeah.
Who was the biggest threat para nimo?
Oh,
Biggest
Brianna
competition. Brianna baby.
Yeah,
Why
Brianna
man?
jud. Kay well-rounded siya, to be honest lang. Pero mudako niya yung OA ni. Her like, yeah, well-rounded jud siya pagka queen. Like, as what we have seen, silang battle ni Dinah Virgin, as well as sa Mua, it was a close call, to be honest.
As in.
I really thought nga siya ang piliyon sa judges. Kay, lami yung pag-emote sa song jud, to be honest lang. Looking back sa mga videos. And kanang pag-preparation pa lang, naluoy lang ko niya kay kanang ga-struggle pod siya sa iyang solo performance kay lagi basin kaso siya or unsan.
Shout out to her though. That was a
Yes.
good performance.
Yeah, that was really
Oo.
good.
That was really
And especially on the day sa Kuan Wash Kaet, nakaibaw siya nga City Era katong supposed nga naa sa cast pod kay napasok ang iyang kamot.
good. Yeah.
I was
So, no.
usa ko sa judges ato nga time and that was really hard to watch. Tapos pagkaibaw ni Brianna ato, samot siyang nakuyawan sa iyang performance. And so kanang I'm really glad nga na pull off ra niya.
Oo.
Pero yeah, sa amoang batch siya jud akong biggest threat.
I love it. Ikaw, Paris.
Ako kay duha.
Kinsa man?
And I think, Chiang Mai and Arena.
Right.
Oo.
Wala
Na nakabattle pa jud mo.
Nakabattle jud
Oo.
ako sila duha. Sila jud ma. Oh,
Right.
My God.
UP girls are so
UP girls,
competitive.
correct.
No? Send someone from UP and they'll be a threat.
Kaya katong
Promise.
ni-win
Season
sila sa
threes.
ilang each month. Si Chiang Mai nakadaog.
As in,
Kung si Ari na sad. My
super.
God. Sila jud ang like, kuhan mo ko sila, amot, bago pa lang, pero like, I don't know, polish kay sila.
Mm-mm.
Kaya niya tanan.
As
Sila
in,
lang.
I love it.
Actually,
I
yeah.
love it. Kanang, we're excited to see more of them also.
Correct.
Who knows, di ba? All winner
Winners.
season. Di ba? Let's have season 3 lang sa. So to those
Yeah.
who are interested to join Wash Kaet, pag-join mo, oy, it's time for us to, companies, BPO companies, establishments, malls, they've been doing drag.
Actually.
Correct.
Diba? I'm happy that people are recognizing drag na karon. Because sa una wala, mag-struggle pa jud ta.
Yeah.
Right? And now they're seeing drag. Pride is for, I mean, I'm not trying to make it us jud, pero now we're being seen.
Right.
Correct.
And hopefully, dili lang siya sa Pride. Hopefully,
Like,
dili. How was your Pride, man? Ikaw, Mel, how was your Pride?
Grabe ka busy. Dagan kay ko bookings actually. And kanang very tiring na Pride month so far. Especially katong nga weekend sa Wash Kaet. Kaya I had 4 shows.
Oo.
Imagine 4 p.m. sa Saturday kay na ako'y gig sa Tungkop. Nibiyahe ko right after. Nauman siya mga around 9. Yan ang ato ko sa Censored for Future of Drag. Nag-start siya mga around 12 a.m.
And that was a day before Wash Kaet.
Yes. And then after ato nga gig, nauman siya mga 4 a.m. Nag-change kog makeup as Zara Larson. Ang ato ko sa SMC side, 5 a.m. ang call time.
Yeah.
Then after ato, kapaway ko kadiyot, ni mata ko mga, I think that was 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. para mag-cram mi sa akong costumes sa Wash Kaet. Kaya wala pa minahuman jud actually. Thank God na si Miss Twinkle, si Coco Grunge, ug si Crystal para mutabang na ako dito sa among gistayhan and na-cram ra na mo siya actually.
I love it. Buti wala ka na gunahuna na ka ng shit ka back outon ko. And,
Mao na akong gano'n na mga kabakouton ko pero nasudlan naman so
Yeah.
ana na lang, padayon na lang.
I'm happy that you guys still continued because
Yeah.
not a lot of girls, not a lot of people still show up despite everything, Judd. If it's for you, Judd.
Right.
It will always find
Yes.
you. Diba? Ikaw, Paris, how was your Pride?
My pride was very busy, sad.
Diba? As a Wash Kaet winner, how was your Pride, man?
As a wash cat. Char! Syempre, pero kanang, my pride this year compared last year was very busy. Nag-start siya, dili siya pride, nag-start Bicon. Diba?
Correct,
Thank
correct.
you to Mother Lava.
And thank you to Bicon,
Then
sad.
Thank you to Bicon.
Thank you to
Pero,
Bicon.
Kana, nag-start siya sa Bicon, dahil nasundan-sundan na siya. I think, Seaside.
Right.
When we had Seaside, J-Mall.
We had J-Mall.
J-Mall,
diba?
and after J-Mall, I went to Seaside, the side.
Oo. Back to
Dayon,
back.
Back to back.
Diba?
Then Censored.
Right.
Then, I think this week, June, the last week of
As in,
June
no?
was
Maka-overwhelm.
Maka-overwhelm
Jud,
siya,
no?
no?
Overall, I'm so happy for all of us because everybody was so booked and blessed Jud,
Correct.
sa Pride Month. As in, maka-happy. I mean, I've never thought na maabot to sa kaninga panahon.
Correct.
As in that everybody are
Mag-double
given the
booking.
opportunity, Jud, no?
Actually,
Here's the thing about me wanting to really establish Wash Kaet. Because France has been doing this naman sad. kanang when I share opportunities, I also want you to share opportunities to your
Yes.
sisters. And I'm happy that you're doing that to your
To
sisters
my
in
sisters and
CNU.
you, yes.
How did it all start?
Kuan siya ma, I don't know. It started with Sylvie and
Dinah?
Dinah.
Uh-uh.
Then, makita mo ko sa ubayan kanang most share sa mother kanang mother ko sa CNU.
Right.
So kanang ako mga chance na mga
Oo.
girlies. Siya mother na. Oh, kakuya kanindot ani na feeling oy kana
Oo.
kuan ko mother ba. Then mo to kita ko nila with a V and Mika. Naganahan sila mag-job.
Right.
So like why not use my platform to kanang give them opportunities sa like ganahan man jud sila. So go supportahan ta mo.
I love
Like,
it.
what you need, ganun sa inyong ganahan. Go, tabangan ta mo.
As long as there are opportunities that are given to us, especially to you, to us, I want you to kanang know this, Melat. We'll share it with you because we've been sharing it
Correct.
with friends.
Yeah.
When you are a Washcat winner, there's a lot of opportunity for you here in Cebu.
Correct.
So far.
So
a lot of
far.
opportunities. Kanang ma-establish yun ang imong name. Ma-establish. This is also a perfect opportunity for you to establish alternative drag.
Drag.
Right.
Yes.
Actually.
Diba? Because you're the first winner na alternative.
Right.
So Washcat. Na, kanang
Oo.
grand winner jud. And all stars wa jud ka. You're the Hall of Fame
Correct.
winner. Wala
Hall
ikaw
of
si Chad
Fame.
Michaels of Drag
Chad Michaels
Race.
of Wash
So you're calling me old? Wow, Gemma lang.
The real old is here.
Dara.
Diba? But still stays like 18. Diba? Bash. You mentioned about CNU, no? Did your life as a student naka-apekto ba ang drag? Like, naka-apekto ba ang drag during Pride Month? Na biyaan ba ni Wang School?
Wala raman sa kuan karon ma wala ra. Kay if mag Pride Month kay bakasyon mi. So dili ra siya maka-affect. Although mo affect siya na karon gamay because I'm gonna be a fourth year student na. Murag kami sa nagasikaso sa among pinning ceremony. One sa isa ko so murag ni kon siya gamay.
I love it. Part of France Prize is going to Manila ba yan? To
Correct.
perform in Manila. Now, some of you might question, yan wala pa siya nag-Manila. Tell them.
Kay graduating student ko.
Right.
Yeah, dili ko ganahan. You know,
Ah.
the curse something, di ba? Murag
Yeah.
adlook.
Diba?
We're like, ngayon na sa ganun malaba, no?
Oo.
Masya ni sala.
We might be doing it next year na lang
Yes.
siguro. Sige. Ikaw, Melad, what are you looking forward to experience? Because you've been seeing France going nag-Bicon.
Correct.
You know, book
Yeah.
and bless.
Usa po na ako, ganan ko baka try og Bicon.
Like,
Like,
Bicon.
the experience.
Bicon.
Bicon, if you're seeing this, contact me.
Maybe it's time for Washka at Queens.
Actually,
Diba?
bitaw, what if? Watch
Diba?
Cat Queens. Pero like, ganan po ko mabalik sa Manila, pero dili lang sa Gore this year, kay same sa iyang reason, graduating pud ko. And I'm thinking, nakuno na ako nga, what if mag-break sa ako kadito og drag after ako mag-graduate, kay ganan ko mo-focus kali sa review.
Oo.
Kay mo take ko exam and,
What's
board
your course
exam.
ba?
PSED English.
Oh,
And mo take ra ko sa exam. I don't really care if makapasar ko or di. As long as makatake lang ko. More jud ako to be honest lang jud kay after graduating, akong ganahan jud buhaton nga unan no kay I want to pursue drag. Ganahan ko nga magkaton ko unsaon pagtahi, unsaon pag mukna og mga concept ana kay
I love it.
I really see myself going to places in this kuan artistry jud.
I love it. What was your drag awakening back? When did it all start?
La Sasha Velour jud.
Same.
Yeah. Siya dyan ako main inspo sa drag. Kay pag na ako'y friend sa Facebook ni introduce siya na ako sa Drag Race and at that time more closeted man ko and more digal na ako thing ang kanang binayot jud nga binayot kay more
Sorry,
na-influensyahan ko. Ay, sorry. Na-influensyahan ko like ko sa kanang mga straight na ko nga circle of friends. Pero pandemic na to siya and bored ko tanaw ko sa Netflix. Yeah, season ni Sasha Velour. Fast forward sa finale, nakita na ko kato yung rose petals.
Yeah.
Ya kato gali more unusual man good kayo siya and first time to na ako nakakita ato and more siya kanang magic para sa ako and so nakunon ako nga kanang drag does wonders and look at me now mao na pud akong na-inspo tungod sa iyang artistry kay murag naka-come up ko sa ako ang naka-establish ko sa ako ang persona.
I love it.
So I love her for that.
I love it. Apart from Sasha, kinsa may queen nimo?
Kuan si Nicole Pardo.
The mother.
The mother.
The
former
face.
mother.
The face
Track.
of
Yeah.
The face lang.
The face lang.
The face lang.
How about you, friends? Unsay drag awakening?
My drag
mo?
awakening was Valentina.
I
Oh,
love
okay.
it. Same season. Same season.
Like,
Oo,
Valentina
same.
siya ma. Kuan man to, dili siya kuan Drag Race, America's Next Top Model. Yeah. Nanggawa silang tulo, si Valentina, si Manila Lozano, si Cathy.
Oo, katong nag-shoot sila with the girls.
Nag-shoot sila with the girls. Wow, unsa ni? Ano?
Right.
Pag-search na ko, Drag Race, RuPaul's Drag Race, dito na. Dito na siya nag-start anan.
I'm happy that you're saying that, no? Sa una mang God, we're just extra.
Right.
You know, kanang sub, extra, and all that. Now we're mainstream.
Right.
Diba? Grabe ang trajectory sa drag. And it's very important for us to also go out there, protest, show up. Kaya para makitaan dyan ta.
Correct.
Diba?
Representation.
As in, super makahappy dyan. So what do you like people to know about Cebu Drag? Ikaw, Melat.
Cebu drag is very versatile jud actually. Kay nailay types of drag and more so on dili ra kay siya kanang comedy, napoy kanang stunt queens,
Yeah.
naputay alternative queens which ni bloom jud siya maayo
Correct,
karon.
karon.
And ang pinaka main jud siguro I would say nga kanang murag powerhouse sa drag kay ang storytelling.
Right.
And makita na nato siya sa Wash
Wash
Ka-Et.
Ka-Et, yeah.
And I'm very excited sa mga umaabot nga queens. Kay ba ko nga naidaghang baby queens karon nga ganan mo appeal and makita po ang ilahang artistry sa main stage. And kana akong giabangan jud for Wash Ka-Et.
I love
Season 3.
I
Season
love
three.
it. It's good that you mentioned about storytelling. That was really the platform of Wash Ka-Et dyan. Kamantay mo sa una, placards pa mga yan.
Actually,
Yes,
slogan making
slogan
contest.
making contest ang mga
Okay.
yan.
Oo, slogan.
Diba? At least karon mo na kuan na siya. It's more of
Lesson, gamay.
storytelling na dyan siya,
Okay.
diba?
Oo.
Yeah.
Wala na kayo, pero that was a
Magets.
good start.
Magets na sa mga
As
watch.
in, that was really a good
Actually.
start. And we'll continue doing that na storytelling dyan ang Wash Ka-Et. Diba?
Correct.
Ikaw, friends, what do you think people
Unsa?
should know about Cebu Drag? Because you're from Tacloban. I mean, you're from Tacloban.
Leyte,
Samar,
Leyte.
Leyte. You're from Leyte.
Southern
Ah,
Leyte, man.
Southern Leyte.
Oo.
Okay, when you transferred to Cebu, you were introduced to drag. Unsay nakit-an nimo sa Cebu Drag and how did it flourish?
Kung sino nakita na ko sa Cebu Drag, kuhan, I don't know, it's, kuhan siya, opportunity for me.
Oo.
Kay, as someone, nagikan sa province, lahi ra jud.
Right.
Kanang, wala siya opportunity ni mo dito. Kanang, truth be told, di ba? If gikan siya ka dito, wala siya drag dito, girls. Although, taga dito si Kimi Couture.
Correct.
Taga Amo
okay.
siya.
Oo.
Picas Town. Pero like, ni-flourish siya sa laing city.
Correct.
Ano siya, ni-flourish siya mo.
Same sa
Oh,
imuhan.
same
Flourish
here.
here. Oo.
Nya ka nang. Pagkapunta ko diri, I think, may siya, hala, na Cebu siya. May drag queen sa Cebu. So, kita ko opportunity. So, I think, kana sad, ato i-connect sa representation. Like, if makita kang representation good, na nasa imong community, na ka na community, I think, diha ni mo makita ng opportunity.
Oo.
So, for me, Cebu Drag is really an opportunity.
And did you guys consider yourselves or your kind of sisterhood yun ng Cebu Drag?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of kind of issue and all that, but they have no idea that sisterhood yun ang
Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
right.
Correct.
Mhm.
Kana
during
sad, ma.
my time, no, kanang if you have a costume,
Kadugay na
it's
ganun.
all
How long
yours.
ago? 100 years ago.
Years ago.
Kadugay na
Years
ganun.
ago.
During my time.
During my time, sa una when we started like participating in doing drag, kanang if it's your costume, it's just your costume. If it's your wig, it's just your
Your
wig.
Yeah.
Now you guys are so lucky.
Correct.
Diba?
Diba? Kasi
My wig
sisterhood.
is your wig.
Your my
What's
wig is-
yours is
Di pa man
mine.
ang hit.
Oh, eros pa.
Which is okay na, fine. We're all sisters and you
Yeah.
learn things from it. But I'm happy that a sisterhood jud. Diba? Makahappy. Like super makahappy. What was your favorite moment in drag, my lad?
Daghan na actually wala ko manunaan karon pero
Oo.
daghan na jud actually. Ang usa sa siguro no kay kanang mga fans galing ang look forward sa imong performances.
Correct.
Yeah, after sa show kana gali unexpected ganay mo duoli mo nga kanang
Oo.
you really inspired me ngon
I
ani
love
ngon
it.
ana.
Love
Like wow, I'm nar ko diri gibuhat na ako ang kuan performance niya kanang nausab imong kinabuhi tungod lang
Correct.
ato.
I love
Correct.
Maka-move gali siya sa imuha nga kanang napo daw kay na move nga laing tao and maka-happy lang jud siya.
And you'll carry that for the rest of your life. No, na kanang,
Hopefully, yeah.
shit, kanang sa una, I am getting inspiration from my idols and
Yeah,
now they're
right.
getting a lot of people are getting inspiration from me.
Correct.
That's really the power of drag, Jud.
Mhm.
Di ba? I love it. Ikaw, friends.
My favorite moment, daghan sad. Pero akong top 1 kay akong lip sync sa MacArthur's Park.
Actually,
Legendary.
Ano
Mo to
siya,
pinaka-favorite jud nako.
Iconic.
Like, there's something that night na kanang,
Oo.
ambot ni lip sync lang ko. Like, nalan ko energy gipagawas niya.
Oo.
Murag, na-feel bitaw sa mga tao. Kasi wala ko ng stat, wala ko ng kuan. Kato lang jud niya. Kato na night kay, I think, daghan kita. Murag, daghan,
house.
full house kita.
Yes.
Daghan kay ang queens ato. So
Oo.
like, anak kasi sila, anak kay mga bayot. Si Brianna, anak kasi Brianna.
As in, that was iconic yun. And Wash Kayat has been kanang doing our shows in different bars na no. We've been
Correct.
doing it we started in Cave, we
Or-
transferred to RU,
RU,
and then now we're
Ulax.
in
Ulax
pa.
we transferred to Ulax, and now we're in
Censored.
Censored. Diba? Wherever we go, the energy is still there.
Correct.
The
never
community,
changes.
it never changes. No, bisan, so I really believe that it's not the space, Jud.
it's the
It's the-
community.
It's the community. It's the people that
people.
that works for that specific kanang
Correct.
event. I love it. I love it.
Kanang-
Nakapagyapan ng energy.
Na ang energy. Nung
As in.
magkausa ta wala. Klawash kaya ta sad.
I love
So
it.
atak ang mga bading.
Manglugwa ang mga bayot.
As in. And not only that, kanang we are kanang challenging people and letting them know na we exist. And then mananaw sila. One person na mananaw and then mura ganahan siya mag-drag.
Correct.
Right.
Have you seen that? Na
Yeah.
parang
Yeah.
ikadragahon sa ko kaya na-inspire ko ani nila.
Correct.
Because I was once that person.
Correct.
Yeah.
Diba?
So,
Nakatanaw ra ka and then ganahan na ka mag-drag. And I want that to happen to whoever wants to try drag. Narajud ang wash ka. Mga kadragahon. Diba? I posted last night. Kinsay
Sa
kadragahon.
kadragahon.
Mag-season 3 ta.
Yeah.
So,
I think mga new queens ron sa Cebu kay gikan og wash kaya.
diba?
Gikan sila nilugwa jud like kadragahon. Si
Oo.
Claire. For example,
Claire.
Claire.
Yeah.
Crystal Claire.
Correct.
Kana lang.
And I'm
You
happy
can
that we're booked and blessed on our own ways, Jod.
Correct.
Diba? I love it. As
Naiwan
in-
mag-makeup.
Correct.
Gone for makeup.
Correct. Oo.
Sa man gigs.
Kami ni friends, panahon man namang pride.
Panahon ako.
Naapa
may
may
Saturday.
San Fernando nga pride. See you, San
Sa
Fernando.
Fernando.
I love it. So let's talk about this. It's not controversial, but it's something that I also want to ask you guys.
Ano
Let's talk about
yan?
dating as a
Oh,
drag
correct.
queen.
Okay
Belat,
ra.
how is dating as a drag queen to you?
To be honest lang, no boyfriend since birth ko actually.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, mostly
Me too.
online love.
Mm?
And as of now, wala pa ko'y katabi. So if bet ko din just hit me up. Charot.
Correct.
Pero like, yeah, as a drag queen man good, murag, ang pinaka-odd lang nga nabantayan ako, no? Kay kung na ako'y maka-char-char, and may baon nila nga drag queen ko, ganun sila mapa-adapt na ko.
Correct.
Correct.
Like instead of himuon
Diba?
kag char-char, magpapan sa imong mother.
Oh, magpa-makeup sila. Okay rin ako, make-upan niya. O sabak ko, char lang. Or like, giatay aw gusto kay kanang magkauyab ta pero mo
Kadragahon.
ko nimo inahan himon ko nimo inahan should na
Oo.
lang
But was there a time na kana, okay, first chat, hook up, then kadragahon na?
yeah actually kanang night keke taga San Fernando
Taga San Fernando
Let's
po.
see you
Ato-
there.
talay check ka kanang grinder ato siya nga hook
Okay.
up and then
Oo.
ML ko siya mo to yung best na ko experience so far niya fast forward na human na niya pagkuan kay he wanted to exchange social media accounts with me and so nag-exchange me naibaw niya drag queen ko ganan siya mapa-adopt na ko kay ganan daw siya mag-drag kay kita sa akong kuan sa akong post kanang lami ko nog aesthetic and ganan ko na siya nga suwayan ako ang artistry sa iyahang naong and so wala na dayon kay nilarga siya laing lugar pero yeah usually kung na may tabo mo ganahan sila magpa-adopt inana
Pero check up pa mo ron.
na siya uyab
Ikaw, Franz, kanang,
Yan naman.
you mentioned about dating app, no? When somebody see you in dating app, ma-recognize, watch
Oo,
ka
nakasuway ko, ana.
Did it happen to you?
Yes! Katubag mo pa ko na sa wash ka app.
Oo, okay,
Ayun,
tell me.
fuck. Kanang, kuhan ka sila. Tap.
Okay.
Chat. Ano magkalit? Hello, wash ka app. Winner, mali. Oh, hi, mother. No, your mother. Go. Buok. So, maglahi mo na ako pangita, diri. Siya ganun, mother man. Ano, hi, mother. Ano?
Ano what happened?
Wala, gi-block ko na ako.
Nang-block.
Should ko...
How do you feel about a guy blocking you because they found out that you're a drag queen?
Wala ko'y pake,
Ako
actually.
sad.
Okay, pake. Bahala na sila. If it's not for me, then it's not for me.
Correct.
Pero, share lang ako, naka-experience ko same sa iya ha. And naan kong si Ray Valentine sa Grindr. Nag-send ko sa akong kuan album niya sa Ray Valentine, ikaw ni. Ako na lang gi-block. Kaya,
Ikaw yung nang-block?
Oh, yeah. Makuha ko kay basig si Ray ang makuan ba. Yeah. Pero yeah, ma-recognize jud siya. Yeah, kakauwaw.
I love it. What was the funniest experience that you've had na you were able to hook up with someone? You don't have to be very specific about it. You hook up with someone but they knew that you're a drag queen.
Kuan.
Na you use it as an advantage ba?
Same.
Pagiging drag.
Wala man.
Ay, ako sa wala. Pero kanang,
Gima.
if mo visit sila sa balay, siya na yung mga wigs. Shlo, isa na yun na.
Ako na pagtaguan.
Sa ako na friend. Sa ako na amiga. Drag queen, magusto ko.
Mo na yung excuse?
Yeah. What?
Kaya kadisplay ako mga wig dahil.
Oh.
Oh, look, isa, drag queen, kaya performer mo. Dila ako ang amiga.
Naka-roommate. Do you have a roommate?
Na roommate. So,
Ah,
maka-excuse na ako.
Oo.
So, ako na roommate.
Oo. Was there a time na when you meet up with someone, chika-chika sa mo, kanang you don't present your drag persona, Jud?
Dili.
You don't do that?
Dili
Kanang-
pa.
Dili pa.
Yeah.
Ikaw,
Ako
Malan?
sa dili pa.
Dili. Oo.
Like, getting to know lang sa mi sa
Okay.
kanang among individual nga lives. Pero
Oo.
ako pa siya i-leave out good
Oo.
before ko mo kuan mo mention ana kung
Oo.
ma-bring up rapod niya. Ana ra ko
So, unsa man, was there a time na mahibaw-an niya na eventually nahibaw-an niya drag queen ka or ikaw ang mo-open up?
Eventually, may bawaan niya.
Mahibaw-an niya.
Kung, especially if makik-exchange siya sa social medias, more na
Oo.
ako ajud.
Ako sa socials.
Socials. So, yata Jud yung account.
Oh,
Makita
yeah.
na, Jud.
Depende.
Muna siya,
Ako,
ay, drag queen, di ka. Muna siya.
Was
Mutanaw
there a
masag ko.
time na when you gave your social media account, parang, okay, di na sila mo-chat?
Oh.
Yeah.
Na.
Na.
Okay.
More-
So what do you hope, what do you want to tell them about dating in drag? Dating as a drag queen, man.
Malohi. Ambot, parang ako, kalahi ra siya ng among pag-drag sa
Oo.
pag-date. Like,
Correct.
dili ra siya mo sagabal
Right.
if ever
Right.
mag-date ta. Like, unsa may labot na ko, gwapa ko yun.
Correct.
Diba?
And I mean, mutuwad and mo,
Oo,
kuan
diba?
na maghihapon and
Like,
all
man si
that.
France, and
Diba?
si Paris.
Correct.
diba?
Oo.
Fantasy na siya. I wanna try doing that in drag.
In drag.
Mo pud ako over the sea.
You haven't tried that.
Wala
pa.
pa ikaw.
You have to go to the province.
Yeah.
To go to the province and
Wala
do
pa.
a girl. Ayun sa pag-alternative.
Oh, dili sa doon. Magalaan na
Ebay lang.
Oh.
If I love,
Dapat
if I
gwapa
have
lang
to go
ta.
to the province, do drag, and then see what's gonna happen. Diba? I love that. Anything you'd like to share about dating in drag?
Katumuro to ako.
Anything you'd like to share sa mga tao, sa mga ni ditch ninyo and all that?
Bahala na to sila.
Bahala
Wala
na
na ko
sila.
ipake. Bahala
Cover.
na. Yeah.
Pero mo follow pa man naman, ni-follow pag ihapon ako.
Agay.
Oo.
Taga CIP.
Oh. Okay.
For a friend, me.
All right, let's move forward to the next topic. Let's talk about politics. You know, drag has always been political.
Yeah.
Correct.
It has always been political. It all started in, Pride March, Marsha P. Johnson,
Yeah.
Stonewalls. How do we feel about our Wash Kaet journey? What was your strategies there? Did you incorporate political performances ba? Ikaw, Matt, when you started Wash
Yeah,
Kaet?
sa season 1, I performed Angel of My Dreams. And I took that as an opportunity to kanang be a voice for divorce. Gali. Kaya at that time, mo to ang pinaka-main nga issue, ang divorce.
Okay.
And so I used that song to kanang mura galig gi-interpret na ko siya in a way nga kanang naka sa usa ka abusive nga relationship. And as much as you want to let go of that person, dili na nimo ma-let go ang kanang mga scars nga iyang gibilin.
Oo.
And so, ako to siyang gi-incorporatean og kanang slogan making contest kempet nga yes to divorce. Kay lagi, although dili, ang uban mo, dili sila, dili pasabot nga, dili pod siya need sa laing tao.
Correct.
Sa kato mga kinahanglan og
Oo.
divorce.
Right.
So,
If it's not for you, give it to
Okay.
other people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Because they need that.
Mm-mm.
Correct. Ikaw, Franks.
Kuan, na-use na ko ang Wash Kaet pag season 2 sad, kanang akong solo performance was Anak by KZ. So ako siyang giuse, I think it's about acceptance na kanang dili pa tanan like accepted sa ilang parents, sa ilang kanang kuan.
I love that.
So ako siyang gigamit like to like mo naman siya yung anak kanang if unsa pa sila kanang anak, di man sila na change.
right.
It's sila jud na. Mo jud sila.
I love that. I love how we storytell in drag, Jud. No?
Mm-hmm.
The fact that we are able to, you mentioned it earlier, affect everyone's lives.
Correct.
So powerful, so impactful. And when we upload it online, amazing, Jud kayo. Now, here's the thing about Washcat. When you rank top 1 ka, murag lucky charm Jud siya na you will be the winner. It happened to you, it happened to you. All Stars, it happened to you. Season 2, it happened to you. Were you the top 1 ba sa season
Yes.
mo sa finale?
Sa finale. Ay, sa finale?
Uh-uh.
No.
You were in
Si
the
Ari Nice.
Ari was the top 1. Okay. So na-break ni Ari o ni Coco Grange.
Ni Coco.
Na-break nila. Ang kurang
Kay si
curse
Coco
na
nag top 1 sa wild card.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Correct. I love it. All right. Laban pa?
Laban pa.
Lalaban pa tayo? All right, let's
Laban
give
pa.
out some makeup tips sa atong mga
Correct.
viewers and listeners. What are your makeup tips, Mela, when you do drag?
Ang ako lang dyan siguro no kay cover your brows well. Kay ang pinaka kuan dyan, especially if you're sweaty,
Oo.
kay kanang ang
Like
pinaka
Piaya.
Wa- ang kuan dyan no kay kanang
Mother.
dali ra jud kay mapakpak ang kaning brow nga area, especially if singtanon kang dako. So kanang tarungan lang jud siya cover and after ana kay butangan nimo i-set nimo siya kanang press powder before ka mag loose powder. Mo na akong secret.
How many times do you glue your before ka mag-powder?
Mga 2 or 3 to 4 layers
Oo.
of glue. La, ka-take down notes.
Take down notes. Take note for season 3, you
Yes.
guys. It's important to cover your brows. Jud.
Brows.
When we started doing drag, struggle jud kaayo because malusaw siya.
Actually.
Aminin, when you started doing drag,
Init
malusaw
ba
jud
ang
siya.
kuwan?
Init pa jud siya.
Yeah.
Especially if you go outdoor. Ako, I tried no, I attended rally katong si Boom. Diyos ko,
Lusaw ka to.
lusaw kay siya. As in, super lusaw kay siya. Ikaw, Franz, in the makeup tip.
Makeup tip, kanang kuan, I don't know, highlights is important for me.
Okay.
Da.
Especially dakatong kanang puti, kanang
Oo.
diri sa kuan. Mo na pinaka-importante nako. So like gamita tanan puti nimo. I don't know kanang me I use eyeshadow na white.
Oo.
After my kanang powder na white, I use eyeshadow para mo puti siya here.
Oo.
Sa imong highlight points kay hindi ano man sa light sa stage kanang mo kuan man gud tanaw nimong naong like murag mo snatch ba.
Yeah.
Yes. And know your contours, girls. Like, asa ang kuan, asa ang
Oo.
contour, na. Para mo shape jud inyong now. Para inyo ha jud ang now.
Right.
Yeah.
I love it.
Dili jud
It's
ako.
all a process. Process
Yes.
siya. You won't start as polished as the other
Right.
queens, right? So enjoy the moment, learn from the queens.
Learn.
Learn jud from the queens.
Practice.
Practice.
Actually.
As in, you guys are lucky that you have kanang styled wigs na just ko during my
Diba?
time.
Ang mga baby queens girl magsugod na sila naka-style.
Styled
Styles,
wigs.
ventilated.
Kayo, super lucky.
Mm.
As in.
Okay, sa mo sa una hard
Shake and
front.
go.
Hard front.
Shake and go lang.
Sa Novo pa mapalit.
Correct. Baratohon. Diba?
Like 100.
All right. So cool. Franz.
Yes.
After after winning Washkaet,
yes.
how's your life na? As a drag artist.
As a drag artist, kanang mas ni boom siya for me.
Okay.
After winning jud kay, na sigbok. Although I did stop a month, kay like, I feel like, kuan man gud to, kanang, ang Washcat na finale, mo to akong pinaka-anticipate bitaw. Like, mo na ni pinaka-peak sa akong career. Ganun. Ikan na. Then after that, nawadan bitaw ko kay Diaz like, hala, unsay dapat i-live, ako bang i-live out akong self.
Correct.
Like, dapat mo,
Kaya winner na ka.
level up ako. Kay mo na to akong best, dapat, best pa dyan ani. So, dito ko na-drain. Na kanang, wala ko kay
Na-pressure
bao,
ka.
dito ako na-pressure.
Were you given opportunities ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Kanang, nabok pa mo ko sa sensor, di ba?
Love
After,
it.
sa yung kabok sa sensor. Pero like, night time na kanang, kanang kapuya na anyway. So, like, ni kanang stop ko for a month. Dayon. Dili man jud po na ako kaya na mo stop og job.
Right.
Okay.
Pangitaon dyan din mo siya.
Pangitaon jud ako.
Yeah.
So, mo to
Pangitaon
pag Bicon,
Right.
dito na ako siya ni ko
That was a really amazing
Yes.
experience. We'd like to thank Bicon.
Bicon
Would
jud.
you consider na Bicon is like one of the highlights
Yes.
of your
Yes.
drag
Super.
career? As in, no.
Akong Zara Larson moment.
Diba? And we were with
Yeah,
Marina
actually.
Summers. Hello.
Yes,
And we
correct.
were with different content,
Content
creators.
creators.
A lot of queens have been wishing to be part of
Of
Bicon, and this
Correct.
year is like the biggest, Jud.
Chika-chika na ganun
As in,
katik-katik.
Diba? You know, you're close with them na. Amazing.
Correct.
That's such an amazing opportunity. When I started having knowledge about Bicon, I wasn't chosen. This is a story of mine sa Bicon. I wasn't chosen by the talent manager then. They had chosen a different queen, which is completely fine to me because I support, man. I support. I clap for girls if it's not for me.
Correct.
If dili pa siya para
If para
nako, I clap for you. And then the second time around, murag, wa siya na dayon. It was supposed to be me, but wa siya na dayon because I didn't have that kanang huge impact pa jud. And then this year it was given to me, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. I'm happy to share it with people na who are loyal to me. Let's just say that, who would always
Thank
stick
you,
with
Mami.
me. And the lesson there, you're welcome. The lesson there, Manggod ha, is if it's for you, it will always find you.
Yeah.
Correct.
It will always find you. Kanang, it might take time. It may take time, but it will always find you. I've learned that, Jud.
Correct.
Ako, I had to struggle in drag. I'm telling you this because you will go through this. You've been going through this because
Yes.
you've been producing a show now. Kanang, you will experience a lot of no's, Jud. A lot of no's. And you as winners, don't be afraid to reach out to establishment, to reach out to producers, to tell them na, hey, do you want to book us and all that? Because it all starts there. Dili ta maulaw, Jud, to reach out because eventually they will find you, Jud. As in, when Pride came, kanang, wala na Jud kon expect na
Napa.
naapa. And then sunod-sunod, bugs, sunod-sunod, Mandawi Pride,
Pride.
Cebu Pride, grabe.
Access.
Kana access, they all contacted me, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. It will happen to you, promise. It will all happen to you, regardless of what's going, what's in the past. It
Pero
will
said
always
mo,
find you.
kanang, don't be afraid to contact.
Don't be
Diba?
afraid. Oo. I was called out sa una because I contacted like a group of kanang murag drag competition. I reached out to them. They want me to be a judge. Murag nga na, I can judge if you want. I can even do it for free. Just to establish my name lang ba.
Right.
Establish my name. I was it was after drag den na. I was a drag den girly na. And then they said, okay, we'll just get back to you and all that. And then murag they took a screenshot of it, and then murag ningon sila na kanang mo man ang tao na murag ganahan mag-judge and all that. I felt bad for it, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid,
Right.
Jed. Don't be afraid. Don't be ashamed of reaching out kay who knows, 'di ba? Through that ma-discover ka. Ala,
Yeah,
ba?
makahatag po kang opportunity.
Makahatag sa
Right.
opportunity. That's so important to give opportunities to other
Others.
people. Kay mas lami ang drag if it's being shared.
Correct.
Promise. Kanang ikaw ra mag-drag,
Nindot
ikaw ra
sa-
book, no.
Nindot sa feeling.
Nindot sa
Diba?
feeling.
Makahatag og
Kanang the process of doing drag, makeup mo, that's the process. That's part of drag na marag. That's the journey na, that's the show na. Ga makeup mo, ga shade mo,
Banter.
Correct.
ana,
Advantage.
banter. That's already part of the show. Dili ang kanang marag nag-perform ka.
For-
That's already
Diba?
part of it.
Oo.
You have to enjoy and melt the moment, Jud. Diba si Milker? Gosh. All right. What's next for you, Mel? What do you hope to happen
Kuan,
during your raid?
pag Pride Month, kay ni-reach out ko sa Naga.
Oo.
Since reigning queen mo po ko dito.
Oo.
I-reach out ko mga kuan, mga establishments if they're willing to collaborate. Kay ganahan ko muhatag og kanang platform sa mga South nga queens.
Oo.
Nadyo'y dagang talented nga queens sa South.
Yeah.
Shout out nilang Kinim, nilang Erona, and many other queens. And ganahan ko nga matagaan gal islag platform. And what's next for me now that I am crowned as a Washcat winner, kay ganahan ko mo try balik. Kay wala joy ni accept nila bisag usa didto.
Oo.
Ganahan ko mangita paglain and para murag ma-establish na gali ang drag sa South kay as of now feel ako ang ilang tanaw gyapon sa natong drag queens kay murag comedy lang.
Yeah, clowns.
Correct.
Yeah. No, we're not clowns. Ganahan ko nga kanang ipakita nga ingon ani ang artistry nga kaya namong ma-present. Ingon ani mi ka-talented and hopefully very soon nanay ka lang establishments nga maki-collaborate.
I love it. I'm so happy hearing that. Okay,
Yeah.
you guys are taking the lead na. France has been doing it sa CNU. She's a mother now, and you're doing it with Tunaga. With your crown, I think they'll be able to say yes.
Right.
They would say yes. And the crown looks good on you though.
Yeah, thank you.
Diba?
And even sa school na mo, ako yung pinakauna nga drag queen nga nakalugwa dira. And kanang usa ko sa mga nag-pioneer together with my queer friends na kanang i-establish ang drag nga kanang murag pag last year man ata to I think sa kuan kay ni open up mi aning idea nga kanang what if mag-perform ko in drag for the first time kay Catholic school ra ba ko and dili kay siya open sa kuan kanang queerness and so murag political act po to siya nga kanang ni show up ming mga bayot in drag and kanang murag first time to in history sa among eskwelahan nga kanang very bayot jud ang vibes.
I love it. You created a movement there.
Yeah, very that.
And that's also the power of drag. You shake the system.
Actually.
Diba? I love that. Ikaw, France, what do you hope to happen next?
And
Graduate lang sa
Graduate lang.
Graduate na sa.
Actually, no, kanang ako siya padayon mo. I don't know, my house sa CNU. I want them to flourish. Kaya like, I see potential dyan in them.
I love it.
Especially katong show me sa Fiddlers. Ako mas lang i-challenge.
Yeah, I was there.
Yeah. Girls, dapat lami dyan na tong show tonight. Hindi yung give.
I love it. I'm looking forward sa Naga, sa CNU. I'm looking forward to see them season 3.
And I want to bring my drag sa Leyte.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to do
Soon.
that. Oo.
Kaya nasa dito daghan.
Mm.
And like, feel na ko na dyan daghan dito niya. Wala lang siya ka ng platform.
I love it.
So,
Kaya ba baka na ay mga taga Caraga? I don't know where Caraga is, Jude. Na yung mga
Mindanao?
Mindanao? I don't know. Na yung mga Caraga queens reach out. They want to join Watch Quiet. That's. I mean, we're going national na. I mean, we've been national.
Bacolod.
Bacolod.
Yeah, Bacolod.
Dumaguete. But hello, we're making noise. I'm so
Correct.
happy.
Yes.
I'm so happy.
Season
Continue
3.
to live up that legacy, Jude. You're gonna bring that anywhere you
Correct.
go. Promise. So happy for the both of you. Any advice to your sisters?
Kualan siya, just keep doing you and don't let other people's opinions about your artistry shake you. Kay lagi, at the end of the day, ikaw na dyan kaila sa imong kagalingon.
yeah.
Mao na siya.
I love it. Fran.
Yeah, I agree with Melat. And one thing, Jude, mo Jude na mabalik-balikan is always be humble.
Always.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
right.
Pero Jude,
It's very important. Tinuod yun na. It's very important.
humility and humbleness.
Humility, being kind, being
Yes.
humble is important. Because you may become the best drag queen there. Pero kung imong batasan
Flying
is not giving, you won't last in this industry. Look
Right.
look what happened to Nicole Pardo.
Abas.
But now may character development si Nicole
Yeah.
Pardo. She's trying to redeem herself na. So let's cut her some slack. But
Why
she's
na
still
lang?
not the face of Cebu Drag.
Dili-
Still not the
Dili
face. We're still selecting. We're still trying to kind
Keep
of
sa Angel.
diba? We're happy. We're happy that, Cebu Drag has been flourishing. I hope to see queens from Cebu going to Drag Race.
Right.
So any one of you guys, you can
So-
represent Cebu. Ako, I been telling myself if it's not for me, then it's not for me yet. But I'm happy to cheer for other people. So, Mela, diba, I told you last time, do you want to join
Yes.
season 4? And you said no
Yes.
pa. Because I'm willing to help out. Do you
Season
guys
4,
see yourself?
Yes.
Do you guys see yourself joining season 5 na?
I
5.
Season
For
5,
me.
I don't know. Basta mag-focus lang sa
Five?
sa ako education.
Okay, assuming na after graduation, it's
Ako na.
season 5.
Mo
Ready.
join ko. Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Me
Why
after
not?
graduating.
I love it. Yeah. Because it's one thing na you'll be a Ru girl na.
Yes,
Such
of
a huge
course.
opportunity. Do you see yourself ba becoming a Ru girl?
Yes.
I love it. Guys,
Flame.
if you're listening, if you're watching to this, we have 2 queens ready for you. Tiwas na sila graduate.
Pag-graduate na sila.
Pag-graduate na sila. And then we're good na.
Correct.
All right. Are you guys still having fun?
Yes.
Laban pa.
Laban
All right.
pa.
Now,
Laban.
this segment right here is we're going to have fun because we're
Correct.
going to rank the queens. We're
Ready?
going to name
Okay,
them. I'm
okay.
going to ask you
Tanggal na lang
mga
kung
questions
various.
and then you're going to name one queen. Should you want to kanang blip it, we can blip it, but we'll see.
Okay.
All right? So
Sige.
whoever comes to mind, let's name them.
Okay.
Whoever comes to mind. Okay? And we can probably explain nga no. All right? First question. Who is the most buutan na queen? Melad.
Oh, Avon X.
Even X.
Yeah, very butan. Especially, very masinabtanon po siya sa ako And I think dili ra kay sa ako and sa other baby queens pod kay kanang katong show pa lang namo sa Nox kay ang amo ang tip nga nakuan kay ang iyang tip nga nakuha kay gi-share niya sa amo
I
pod.
love it.
Correct.
Hangtod karon.
Same. Even. Pag first na mong show, ganahan na dyan ko makik-show ni Ma-Even. Yeah. First na mong show was December. Yan, nangita ko ka ng necklace. Karin na siya. Oh, dalang, yung mo to, pag-return na ko siya. Ay, mo na.
I love it. Very motherly.
Until now, pag sige mo migkuan na
yeah,
lang,
same.
na.
I've never seen him having an issue.
Correct.
Right.
Diba?
Kana.
And he never participated. She never participated.
Dili siya problematic.
Di siya
siya
problematic. Like
Di
me.
Parang si
Di siya
Dahlia.
problematic. Like
Dahlia.
Dahlia. She's like Black Dahlia. My God. Magbago ka na, girl.
Yeah.
Diba? Di siya problematic. I love that. I love
Correct.
that. Who is the most maldita na Cebu drag queen?
Okay.
France?
Una.
Maga ako may una maganita. Ako na lang sa lako.
For me, dili siya maldita, but like, vibe aside, bleep lang.
Okay,
Bleep lang. Bleep, please.
Kuan. Sorry, sister.
Kinsa? Kinsa? Ha? Oh, okay. Bleep. Okay. Why man?
Bleep
Why
lang
man?
siya. Umot lang, ganang, wala ko na-expect niya good na magana siya. Coming from a personal experience sa so,
Like she just started out and then she's being a diva already.
Kanana.
Okay.
Ano
Yeah,
siya.
same answer.
Say-
I'm sorry.
Alright, why
I'm
man?
sorry. Kuan man good. When you're new to the industry, you should present yourself kanang professionally gyapon.
Correct.
Like coming dili ka mag-late when it comes to shows, dili ka mag-attitude sa queens and as well as even sa mga production team. Like ilang ginabuhat ang ilang trabaho.
Right.
And so you have to respect that.
Correct.
And bisag na kay corona or unsan pa na imuhang title dira, wala urgent na siya, di na siya mag-matter if wala kay respeto.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
So,
I love that.
Same answer.
Next question. Based ni sa inyong experience ha.
Okay.
Cebu drag queen na smur in drag.
Smear in drag.
Bleep?
Wala ko yung ma-remember actually.
Ako sad.
Wala.
Yeah,
Jima.
to be honest, wala.
Pero kanang, siguro mga gamit.
Oh, gamit.
Oo.
Yeah, gamit.
Pero dili man usara. Pero kanang, same pero mas good me.
Name them. Name them. Ako usahay. Oo,
Ako
akong
usahay,
sapatos.
Okay, gets.
Ako
Alright.
sad, ako stockings.
Sige. Who do you think is the most fashionable Cebu queen?
Ooh. I think si Neonique from House of Renaissance.
Okay.
And as well as wala ko lang ma-think. Pero yeah, si Neonique, I love her aesthetic so much. Lami kay siya mo present sa iyang kaugalingon as well as ang iyang mga ibang sulog nga kuan kay fit kayo niya good.
I love it.
Me kay Mother Cat, Catfisher.
Yeah,
Okay.
Catfisher.
Siya dyan ako ang kanang, makita na, kanang, ligon kay brand sa iyong fashion. Like, consistent ka siya sa iyong fashion.
Right.
Yup, ninot ka siya danaw.
All right, I love it. Who do you think is the muggy Cebu drag queen?
Cebu drag queen. Paris.
Paris.
Daghan, oh. Daghan actually.
Oh, daganan.
Let's name them.
Usanana.
Melat.
Ay, Melat. Si Kuan. Usanana si ikay una bi.
O, kawan. Si...
Dagan ka.
Dagan lagi siya. Si kanang kuan.
Sa bagaliwan ko.
Si Mother Gomes.
Okay.
Yeah, gumamela.
Yeah, okay,
Gumamela.
agree.
Lokal.
Given.
Oo.
Si... Napayos kuan, underrated siya. Si Yama. Yama
Yama.
Delight.
Okay,
Right.
yeah.
Yung
Makeup
yung kay
artist.
siya
Oo.
Ay, Serena as well.
Yeah, Ay,
Okay,
Serena.
right. Oo.
Kaya sila pa.
I love it.
And Cap, si Catfisher.
Catfisher, yeah. Given
I
na
love
alam
it.
medyo shock.
Okay.
Dagan. Lima.
Next, okay. Who do you think is the Cebu queens who gives out the best performance yet when you saw them perform? Like,
Wala, oy.
nag-show siya, wala. Nag-show siya and then audience ka and then you've seen,
Bitch, recent lang jud kato iya performance, Is It a Crime? Lami jud ato
Imuha?
like No tricks.
Asa na?
Sa
Censored?
censored,
Censored.
walay tricks. Lip sync
Kita ka
ra jud.
tulog.
Yes, na ako sa audience. Ala-ana ako ka.
Kato tong nag-show ta?
Dili kami
Dili.
to.
Ah, okay,
Oo.
okay.
Lami jud kay iyang performance kay walay tricks, lip sync ra jud niya. Mura galig siya ang nagsuwat sa kanta kay ma-feel jud nimo nga kanang ang vibe sa song kay murag na-adapt pud niya.
I
And
love it.
Pakpak jud ako ka.
Correct.
I love
Walay plastic kaya, walay jama. Lami jud to siya ang
Thank
performance.
you.
Mm-mm.
Ikaw, friends.
Ako, mag-base mo sa performance sa kanang mag-gag ko, yun niya. Kanang, siya dyan ako makita ba? So, katuloy mo hang concert. Jama.
Back to you, back to you.
Kanang sa Wash Ka App.
Ah,
Sa Wash Ka
All-Stars.
Wash Ka App na All-Stars yun recently. Yahaw dyan ka Stormy.
yeah.
Ang kanang mulag,
As
wow.
in.
And, ay katulo, katong inyong show, pag June 6,
See?
Liti na like ka.
Yeah.
Judas niya.
Judas,
Like, kato, mo dyan mo so far sa tanan ako nakita na drag performance mo ito yung pinaka like kaya bitaw na hangover ko.
Yeah.
I love
And
it.
also, can I just say, ang kato kalay mo performance sa Nectar katong duha ka book set, katong sa do jet lag as well as kinsa siya, mo to yung pinaka best nga performances na ako nakita ni mo, promise.
Thank
Mo
you
to yung
so
favorite
much.
na ako actually.
Thank you.
Lami kay mong pag lip sync sa kinsa siya, niya sa jet lag kay ang mga tanang taw hugyaw jud kaayo and vibe jud kay siya, promise.
I
Lami
love
kay
it.
siya.
I love it. Thank you. This is also like a strategy in drag, huh? When you're being booked in a certain event or establishment, you have to understand your audience. This is what you
Yes.
have to know.
You have to
Let's
adapt.
say, for example, correct, you have to adapt. If you're being booked in a straight crowd, use a song that straight people
Oh,
would
no.
relate.
Actually.
You have to understand that. Kaya if you're going to perform song na dili just like relate mo radyo ka
Right.
clown. Promise. You
Kasi
also
yun
need to
nag-ano,
understand that.
ano-ano.
As much as we want to kanang showcase our craft, but business wise and how we sell
Correct.
ourselves,
That part.
we have to understand your audience, Jud. Understanding your audience is very important. I've learned that through the years.
Right.
All right, perfect. Who do you think is the most impactful queen, Cebu queen?
Right now,
Yeah.
hilog. Ay, nakatulog.
Naguno na ako. Daghan jud siya
Ay,
actually.
nakatulog.
Pero wala mo come sa mind na kuan words.
Impactful in
Whatever
terms of,
ways you could think of.
You,
Ikaw.
ikaw.
Apart from me, because I know that.
Sa paman ha.
Example.
Siya actually.
Right.
Sa kanang iyang pagpa-show sa mga
Correct.
CNU girlies.
Correct.
Yeah, pag-reach out sa mga establishments.
Yun lang.
Mm-mm.
Even sa Pride Month ng good kay karang nanghatag siya mga platforms sa iyang mga sisters na start pa lang og drag.
Yeah.
So that alone is already very impactful jud.
You're getting the wash ka at Magic.
Right.
Correct.
You will be doing that.
Yes.
You'll be doing
Hopefully
that.
soon.
You'll be doing that.
Ako sa karon. I don't know, pero mag-give na kong flowers ni Mother Goops.
Right.
Ni Mother Gumamela. For,
Actually-
sa karon lang, Jud.
Correct.
Like, seeing, kato Jud pag June 6, inyo na wash ma.
That we
Seeing
were
you
all there.
all,
Mm-mm.
like, united.
Correct.
Pakpak
Unity.
Gumamela girl. Lami.
The only unity we want.
Yes.
Diba? The only unity that we want. It's very important to kanang also appreciate her
Yes.
because aminin na lang natin, Censored before wasn't open. It's not because of the owner. Not because of the owner. But it's because of certain people who weren't kanang welcoming and were not inclusive. And now that Guma's handling it, we're happy. We're happy
Yeah.
that it's been an open door for everyone. Ako, I've been so apprehensive and medyo shy ko to
Who would expect
you know,
Maria Lava and Censored?
diba? Who would
Oh,
expect?
yeah,
1 year. I've never been in Censored for about a year. And then I was able to perform and
Kamupiya.
nakasud after a year.
Correct.
And you always have to remember na bilog ang mundo.
Right.
Correct.
Bilog yun ang mundo. So humility is very important. Diba? It's super important. All right. Who do you think is who among the Cebuana queens needs character development?
Ako, answer ganito.
Yeah, same.
Siya.
Moingon ako Bicol Pardo pero I'm very
naman
glad
Yeah.
nga si Mother K nagkainahinan na siya ang
Correct.
progress.
Ang tao na
I
to
love
ang
that.
needs kay character development naman siya. Character
Yeah.
development na good
Love
si
that
Buddy.
for her.
Diba?
Pero yeah, same
Kako
answer.
I love it. Okay. Who do you think who among the Cebu queens needs help
I
Needs
think
help.
in whatever aspect?
I think ang mga baby
With
queens
queens.
need na to
Okay.
karon. Oh, okay, para at least kanang i-guide gali nato sila instead nga kanang ato silang i-clock nga batiyan ni mag-drag oy kay
Right.
based on my experience na bay mga inana nga queens
Correct.
katong
Oo.
start pa lang ko nga kanang bati kay kag fashion choices and
Right.
it's not because wala ko'y fashion sense, it's because sa kanang mga
Bago ako nag-start.
bago ako ga-start
I don't
wala
have the
ko'y
resources. Oo,
right.
correct.
And kita nga generation as kanang murag pioneers of modern drag
Yeah.
kay ato silang tabangan instead of kanang clocking them nga ingon ani siya nga,
Oo.
like instead nga kana ato silang mandaran nga unsay buhaton ato silang tabangan
Tama.
in their own ways.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
I love that.
Same sa baby,
Baby
queens jud.
Oo.
Kay mo learn man gud sila, minam gud sila sa mo hatag og advice.
Right.
So like ara pa lang mo learn sila. So like kanang ma-apply nila ba na kanang
Correct.
ay naniyon di ay nanaon di ay.
Mm-mm.
So yeah, sila wala man dili ko kan name o specific queen kay
Mm-mm.
ay what if ga-learn lang sad po siya.
Right.
I love that. And this is also what we want to tell to all the baby queens who are planning to join Washcat or whatever competition, no. These two were losers. Let's just use that word.
Yes,
For the
yes.
lack of for the lack of
Mhm.
better word. These two lost their original
Respective season.
kanang season. And look at them now. So
Usually.
don't be afraid to show up. Don't be afraid to join competitions because it would really mold you.
Mm-mm.
And if ever gani mapildi ka, just learn from it lang. Take
Correct.
it.
Right.
Dili man pwede na ka ng crown tala. I mean, you're very lucky if you'll be crowned
Crowned.
agad-agad. But you'll receive a lot of rejections, a lot of no's in life, Jud. And again, if it's for you, it's for you. I really believe in redirection. Look at Melat.
Right.
Melat was in France. You joined 3 times.
3 times.
3 times. You joined twice.
Twice.
Right?
Karon,
So, redirection, Jud siya. And losing is the new winning.
Winning.
actually.
Diba? Such a wonderful kanang line to put out there.
Maka-learn jud ka pod if mo mapildi ka.
As in,
Mm.
Na kay kanang na-jud lesson after. You're like
I love
what to
that.
do and what not to do again.
Right.
And then,
I have a question. Kanang, when drag wasn't super flourished pa here in Cebu, I had Serena, kanang Melat, and Juan Mangod as my babies before. And Daphne. So when we had when I produce shows, I'm with them. Looking at your sisters before, Daphne was the first crown. Then
Yeah.
Serena, and I was anticipating it was you.
Yeah.
And then, di man dyan na makontrol ang life, no? How did you feel about that? Na marag, ikaw nabilin that time.
Kato nga time, na-pressure jud ko maayo.
Oo.
Okay, sila ang first 2 winners sa kuan sa first 2 months po sa Washcat. And so sa ako nga time, gi-anticipate po na ako. I'm not gonna lie. Gi-anticipate po na ako ako yung
Same.
makadaog. Pero like, at that moment, kanang katong napildi na ko, na arjun ako nga, dili ni para sa ako maabot ra akong time. Pero, medyo wala po na ako na-take maayo ang akong pagkapildi ato nga time. So, nakunaw na ako nga, dili lang ko mabalik for Washcat. Kaya di ba you asked me to come back for wildcard? Yeah, niyo ko nga dili lang sa ako. Maybe because I wasn't ready that time and I'm glad nga ni-decline pug ko. Kaya di ugram mo balik nga dili ko ready.
Right.
And so, when I got the call for All Stars, katong ni-decline ko and then nibalik ko, kay ganan ko mo balik, mura to siya kanang nakaunaw na ako nga, basig time na ninako for my ultimate redemption. And so, it happened. And I'm glad nga kanang nibalik ko nga, murag, kailan na gali ko sa akong kaugalingon jud. Like, nanakoy kanang gibarugan and kay baw na ko sa akong unsan jud akong aesthetic, unsan
Right.
akong kayang, unsan akong kapabilidad
Oo.
na mapakita sa mga audience.
I love that. Isn't it nice to have a crown?
yes.
Diba?
Diba?
Or siya, bragging rights.
Bragging
Diba?
rights siya. As in, as gay
nakakaroon.
people,
Correct.
having a crown is everything.
Actually,
Diba? You'll get more. I think you had more.
I have
Diba?
I have more.
All right. Any message to your sisters, to those who want to try drag? Any tips about life as a drag artist? France.
For me, makanang ko. One thing that I can say na jud is grab every opportunity. Moro jud na. Okay, that's what I did. I don't know if ma-apply ninyo ha, but that's one advice that I can give is if ever naay maabot na opportunity, grab it. Because dili tanang tao mataganong opportunity.
Correct.
Dili tanang tao mataganong privilege. Dili tanan ay privilege bitaw to have that opportunity. So, yeah, grab it. Either unsay mahitabo, like win or lose or unsay result after. Kay at least imo siyang gitake. Then learn from that if ever kana an opportunity, learn from that. Kay imo dyan na ma-apply sa imo life.
I love that. Kamelat.
Kuha siguro no, for my fellow student drag queens out there, unaha lang sa jud ang pag-eskwela.
Correct.
Ang drag maka-what jud na siya. Like, pwede rin maka mag-makeup, dira practice. Pero unaha lang sa jud ang pag-eskwela. Although, sige kog joke nga ang edukasyon ay sa gabal sa pagda-drag. Char. Pero like, yeah, ang drag makahuwat na jud na siya. And especially now, since naka-establish na tag nice nga kanang Cebu drag scene. Kaya pag sa una, luoy kami kay kanang magpagita pa wig mga audience pero karon na natay mga avid fan of drag.
Correct.
Karon nga time, now is the time nga kanang you pick up that brush and you start practicing in your own room kay dili urgent na mawala ang drag scene sa Cebu and usami sa mga magpadayon na nga legacy ana na lang.
I
Butangta
love
lang.
that. I
Butangta
love
na lang.
that.
Mhm.
And you mentioned about the avid fans. Huge shout out to sa mga fans, especially women out there.
Yeah.
Mga babae.
Mga babae na
babae,
drag
girls.
fans. Grabe kayo, guys.
Mhm.
Grabe kayo.
Babae.
And we've been seeing that in Manila, pero grabe, na-establish na siya dito sa Cebu.
Sa Cebu, yeah.
I'm happy to see
Daghan
that.
uy sa Cebu.
Daghan,
Yeah.
daghan. Shout out to you guys. I know that you will be watching
Sure,
this.
yeah.
Shout out to you. We owe you a lot. Jud.
Correct.
I love it. And tip this queens, Gika.
Actually lang. Oh.
Do you want to promote your socials?
Yeah, if you want to see more of my monstrosity, you may follow me on my social media accounts. That's ms.melat, Miss Melat.
If you don't follow me, if you want to see me, guys, follow Min Ortiz.
In her
No,
kanang
it's
Ariana Grande.
Ariana
era.
Grande era. No, it's at MZZ_Paris. It's with a Z, not with an S. So yeah, sa IG na siya, guys.
Because it's Liza with a
The
Z,
Z,
not
not
Z.
Correct.
Imo man ang
Kalimutan
kanta lang.
Or now that we're ending this, kanang we'd also like to thank all the our partners and sponsors na nitabang jud. It wouldn't be possible ang Washcat without your help.
Correct.
Di jud na mo siya ma-establish, di na mo siya mapadayon without you guys. Please let me know if I forgot ha, if na ko'y makalimtan na mga brands and partners. We'd like to thank for Censored.
Censored.
Thank you Jud kaayo for being
Correct.
the space for us,
Thank
to
you so
Guma, to Pets, and to Jack. Maraming salamat for saying yes to kanang, because they've been trying to like kanang court me sa Washkaet, and now I'm saying yes, and now I'm, you know, it's there. It's there. Thank you. And sa mga establishment sa una na asa mi naka-show sa Cave, sa Yulac,
Yulac.
sa RU. Thank you Jud kaayo. Thank you. Anywhere we go, you guys are there. Thank you also to Advocates, because apart from our drag performances, we're also advocating for HIV and AIDS awareness. So thank you. Advocates are always there.
Yes.
They're always
Always.
there to support us, to help us out. Thank you sa kay Aya Coca.
Yes.
You will be having a custom made Aya Coca. You
Excited
already
ako
had
pa.
one.
Yes.
Padong pa. Fitting pa.
Abadong pa.
Love. Ato di ay last
Wala
time. Dili
pa.
to?
Dili pa to.
Kwan na to. Iyahara to.
Fallout na to.
Pull out di ay to. Okay.
Excited
So both of you,
ako.
they have a show na both of you will have an Aya
Aya
Coca.
Oh, yeah.
Diba?
yeah,
Or you
what
might be, Aya, you
Yeah.
might wanna book them for fashion show. Include me,
if?
sa, oy, your original baby.
Diba?
For fashion show, Aya, let's Aya Coca Fitting Room. Maraming salamat. Amazing gowns, amazing dresses. Thank you also to But First Coffee.
Mm-hmm.
But First Coffee for partnering with us. Thank you Sad sa Good Girls Studio. Maraming
Ay,
salamat
correct.
to Good Girls. To ang Crown, Bjorn. Grabe, kala mo sa
Tabi
Crown.
kaayo.
Grabe kaayo sa Crown. As in, super
Umuwi lang po
lami.
ako asad.
Pahibo na siya.
Laisyo jud kaayo. Did we forget anyone? Unsay check ka sa parlor.
Parlor.
Thank you kaayo to Mr. Gay Sugbu organization, si Mami Emma. Thank you to Bisaya Konyo Girl, to
Correct.
Body Rock, to Paris na nag-judge last time, to Actua.
Actua.
My God, staple na siya sa Washkaet ha.
Actua.
Actua.
Ano mo siya pa video na to.
Correct. Upload pa niya.
Grabe kay mga
Cinematic
pictures.
video niya. Thank you, Actua. Did you forget anyone? Thank you. to all
All
the queens, to the
Production
brands,
team,
production
sila
team of
Gladly.
kanang of Guma, of Wash Kaet. Thank you kaayo to
House of
Anthony,
Blue.
to
Yes.
Frankie. Thank you jud kaayo for helping us out. I think napatay nakalimtan na brands. Kung nakalimtan ka na, I'm really really sorry because we're doing it spontaneous ra.
Comment lang sa
But
comment
thank you
section.
jud kaayo for helping us out. Thank
Drop a
you
comment.
for being part of our Wash Kaet journey. Di jud mi magpahuway.
Correct.
We're not going anywhere.
Hoy, pud ba na sa mo?
Pahuway lang mi
Tatawa,
ganong
tatawa.
June.
Karong June.
Yeah.
Pahuway lang mi gamay. After San Fernando, we're good.
Yes.
Mapahuway and then let's do it next siguro August. Wash Kaet. So send us a message. So
August.
follow Wash Kaet on Instagram or Facebook. Send us a message if you want to join. We'll be posting lang there. Follow also Lechon the podcast. My account at It's Maria Lava on Instagram or anywhere in all social media platforms. Bisaya Tabay, yes. Our
Oo.
proud kanang Bisaya
Bisaya.
Tabay, our media partner. Thank you so much. They were there. 4 of them were there. They
Correct.
covered the Wash
Wash Kaet.
Kaet.
Oh, and
Post-post
even the
sila.
Freeman.
The Freeman was there. Yeah, thank
si
you.
Andrew, thank you so much.
Thank you. You were featured there.
Yeah.
Right?
Lumigit
As
ang
in, super. Wala na tayo nakalimtan. Wala na. I think wala na. Maraming salamat po. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to Miss Melat and to
Thank you
Paris
so
France. We hope to
much.
see more of them. And, we keep reminding people to let them eat.
Lechon!
Let them eat.
Let them eat lechon!